Alright, he's live. I've got two people claiming to be first today. DS. Alright, so, what was I saying? Hold on, I got distracted. Yes. Am I live? Yes, it is. Let me just make sure everything's fine. The lines are going up and down. The waves and stuff. Yeah, I'm streaming. Alright. Beaver's here, but not really. Beaver claimed to be here, but not here anymore, so that makes Dada, by default, winner! How are you? Wow, my voice. Zawarudo. What? Alright, so I'm gonna be playing this, Resident Evil 1 on the DS. I think it's the best port ever. I love it so much. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to speedrun it. Yeah, baby. I need to unlock that rocket launcher. So I'm gonna do a run on Rebirth mode, which is like the advanced basically, and as fast as I can. I'm not gonna be taking any breaks, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna keep running. No breaks, no cutscenes. I'm gonna keep running straight. I need to get this in less than 3 hours to unlock the rocket launcher on the hardest difficulty ever. Ermits and Bilk out. How's everyone going? Doing whatever. I just woke up from like a 4-hour nap. It was supposed to be my afternoon siesta and I woke up now. Wah. I don't really do collabs or emits, I'm sorry. I can't commit. I cannot commit. I do remember, of course. But I don't really do collabs. Sorry. So, Rebirth. It's actually night. I woke up from my afternoon nap at 10 PM. You can hear my voice, so let's go. Hardest difficulty, hardest choice. I'm gonna skip everything. Let's go. Let's start doing this. Man, I love this game. Today I finished this game twice. But on Jill, because I wanted to get the rocket launcher. Wesker! Let's go. So since this is the hardest difficulty, I'm gonna go grab the ammo real quick. Alright, so. Come on, pick him up! Why not get the Resident Evil for 3DS? What Resident Evil for the 3DS? You mean the... What's it called? Are they dead? Yes. You mean the... Revelations? Or you mean the Mercenaries one? This is the best Resident Evil for DS. Speedrun this way. Come on, we got this. Nice! That's what I was talking about. And if I can pull this off, I'll be a happy buddy. Uh-oh. No. Come on. No! This is not gonna work. Oh, come on, man. Seriously? Aha, nice. You see, sometimes you get headshots. Sometimes. It's a very, very random chance. Alright, we got this. And I don't think everybody's dead yet. Somebody's tricking me. I know it. I'm gonna try to make a fool out of me, huh? Come on! Push! No, Mercenaries is a joke actually. On the 3DS. It's a joke. That's just the minigame and unlockable in another game. And they decided to release it as a standalone. Like, what? That game, you can find it for like €5 on eBay. Nobody wants that game. So I'm gonna do now is go through here. Oh, come on, really? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run. Alright. The acting in this game, you know what? They had a second chance to get the acting right because they redid the... You know what? Let me just... You're kidding me! You know what? I'm gonna focus real quick and I'll tell you. No. No! No! Alright. No, I'm not gonna risk this. Actually, I already took the spray. Ah! Alright, I'll be back. So, they had a second chance to redo the acting in this game. Whoa! Let me just fix this real quick. So, as I was saying. Alright, hold on. I can't got focused this morning. This evening. I can't even tell if it's morning or evening. Alright, so this goes here. Hold on. This I got right. There we go. I won't be able to open all of these. Oh, the key's over here. Oh, wow. Everywhere is in different places now, so... Everything is in different places. That's what I'm trying to say. I can't even talk this evening. Okay, fine. Go back in. I found the quickest way to combine with the stylus. It's so much faster. Did you see that? Did you see that? Alright, let's go.
Well, what should I do now?
I don't care. Do whatever you want.
If you go out to search for the other members, how about letting me come with you?
Whatever. Do what you want. I don't care. Yes, sure. Why not?
Alright, let's do it.
Yes,
Let's do
sure.
it.
I'll do my best. I have to prepare something. Would you like to go ahead?
I hope I don't die. I hope I don't die. I don't feel like dying. So what I'm gonna do is... Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Yep, he died. Nice. One more, one more, one more. Crap. I know what that key does. No! The reload! The reload is the bane of my existence! No! Oh my goodness! The freaking reload! Oh man! Start over. At least. At least it's just the beginning. God dang it! It is harder. I've played this twice and there wasn't 2 zombies in the 2 times I played this before today. There was only 1. So yeah, it's different. It's definitely harder. God dang it. Trying to think. Whether I should go get the ammo or not. Let's go get the ammo. I should get the ammo. Freaking kidding me? Stay down, sucker. Come on, man. Oh, I freaking... Man. Oh my goodness, this crow! Oh no! Are you freaking kidding me, stupid crow? I can't see a thing! I can't see a thing! Oh my goodness! Holy shit. Oh my goodness! I'm losing it now. I'm losing my patience. I need to find a better position. Hold on. Freaking crow. Not load game. Ha! Lostra. I went back and load again. I need to calm down. I'm losing my patience. You know the best part is I beat this game twice today. But this is harder difficulty. I beat it on Jill, so... That stupid crow, man. That stupid crow. I just wasted an ammo. Of course! How many hits are you gonna take to die? Holy crap, man. Trying to conserve ammo. And it's not going well for me. That freaking crow up there. There we go. Oh my goodness! And I have no excuse for the reload really, because I can see how much ammo I have! Now it blows up his head. Last shot, whatever. Hey Julian. How you doing, buddy? Alright. Once I settle down with ammo and stuff. Ah! The crow's chasing me, literally. Look. Alright, we got this. Alright, let's skip the cutscenes because I don't have time for this. Alright. Let's try this again. So that doesn't make sense. Oh no. How do I do this? No. Nope. I didn't even know how I did it before. There we go. There we go. That's good to hear, Julian. So I'm gonna put these away for now. Pick up the key. I'm still not 100% confident.
What should I do now?
Do whatever you want.
If you go out to search for
I'm gonna
your
switch on the
dad,
AC.
How about letting me come with you?
Whatever. Alright, do what you want.
Yes, sir.
I don't care.
I'll do my best. I have to prepare something. Would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, sure, bye. So let's kill the dog. Eee, didn't give me... Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Who went through the door? I aimed. Oh, how cheap that is! Holy crap, how cheap that is! I'm aiming and shooting and he's going... No! He was taking me through the door. It cost me so much damage. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That zombie is just well placed so that I step on him by mistake. This game has a lot of those actually. A lot of zombies that are... Alright, this is where I died last time and I think this is gonna be where I'm gonna die again. Oh! Or not. That was good. That was good. Nice! Nice, that is so good. That is so good. That is so fantastic. I don't know why I'm out here. I don't even have the chemical yet, so... Pfft, that's stupid. Hello. Ah, look at that, how fast he is. Super speedy zombies. Stay down, sucker. Look at that. Is he dead? Yes, he is. Wow. That was scary. Use the mansion key. Come on, go through. Wow, okay. I don't even have the shotgun yet, and I don't think it's gonna... Alright, let's try. Let's try it. I don't know. I'm not confident. Nice! I need to be careful though. Alright, so I finished here. I still don't feel safe. I still don't have herbage, so I don't feel safe yet. This is still locked, yes? Yes. There we go. Usually I could pull these off perfectly. I better start keeping my stylus in my hand because... Hello, Red! Let's go. Nice. Come on! What the heck are you doing? No worries, Red. No worries, no worries, no worries. You do what you gotta do, man. Alright, so I found an herbage. Whew. I'm assuming this is closed. Yep, just what I thought. I'm gonna use it actually. I'm at 86. I have 86 rounds. We're good. We're good. We're good. I don't need to go in there for now. No! Oh my goodness, the frickin' reloading. No, 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 out, 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 out. My goodness, the reloading. I need to start looking at reloading. Oh, now it's this. Oh no! This is not good. This is not good. No! Are you freaking kidding me, man? This... Oh my goodness, today. Oh my goodness. It's not my night. I went on load again. Oh my goodness. You know what, Refor? You're getting on my nerves tonight. Just so you know. Oh my goodness. You don't piss off someone who's raging right now. Hey, Midna. It's amazing. I'm just getting like a lot of bad luck. It's not working out. Come on. I'm gonna go get the ammo because I need it. Oh, he's dead. Okay, good. Ah, man. Hey, Jazz. Yes, I'm raging now. I died like the third time. Or second time, I don't know. Third time, I think. And I'm annoyed because it's cheap deaths. That's why it's cheap. And it's because I still don't have the shotgun, huh? That's why. What the heck are you doing, Crow? You're pushing me that way? Towards the freaking zombie. The crow was pushing me. Alright, that's gone. That's gone, that's gone, that's gone. Come on! Hug the wall. Like this. We'll save some ammo that way. Uh oh, he's gonna get up and... Alright. We're good. Push. We're doing better now. I never played Clock Tower. I heard it's good. I want to give it a try one day. No, I just need to run here. If I can avoid... You see that? Yes, alright, so I can just get past this guy here over here. Over here. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, two more. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna get this guy from here. Ooh. We got him. You got him! Oh, come on, stupid cutscenes, come on. Whew. I'm so tired of doing this puzzle now. Come on, how was it? Like this? Come on! So, I'm gonna get... Hey, Levy. You missed Summer Serious Rage, huh? I might still rage, actually. Because I've been dying left, right, and center. Alright. We're still good so far, still good. I haven't been damaged yet.
Well, what should I do now?
I don't care.
If you go out to search for the other members, how about letting me come with you?
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Sure, I'll do my best. I have to prepare something. Would you like to go ahead?
Whatever. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Because there's no point in going this area. I'm just gonna kill the dog so I don't forget. That's one. Alright, so I'm gonna go back up. Rip GG. There's another one that needs to be rip GG. There you go. Let's go. At least I got the annoying zombies out of my way though. So let's start. Now I'm gonna start the game. I feel like I'm gonna start the game properly. I don't know why I took the long way around. Alright, let's go. My stylus! Little Nightmares. Oh yeah, I want to try that game. Yes, I never came around to buying it. So many games. I love the quick turn in this game. I want the rocket launcher in this game. That's why I'm playing this. Alright. So far so good. So far no damage. And at least there's a small chance that I get a headshot. So there's no point going there. Nice. Oh, no. Alright. Another one of those. Here they come. Nice. Nice. If you can do it without damage, apparently it gives you stuff, look. Let's do this real fast. Newborn baby. An infant. Lively boy. Young man. Young man. There's no need to feel down, I said, young man. Still no damage so far, right? So we go this way. Okay. Nice. Oof, I love these headshots. No! Oh, did you see the speed he was coming at me? That's cheap. And he's not even turning. He wasn't auto-aiming, that's the problem. Okay, I get it. So... I'll take this. And let's go. I need to do this. Okay, so this is easy. Put it back in the box. I hope I do this in less than 3 hours because I need the rocket launcher. I mean, I don't need the rocket launcher, I want the rocket launcher. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, I'm not gonna hit him. No. That's cheap. Nice. There's another one over there. I better get rid of him before I forget. Because he will catch me by surprise next time. There we go. You unlocked it? Ah, man, that sucks. They were getting too close. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. You're still not dead. Alright. Yeah, I know. This guy over here, we need to be careful. Ooh. This one's locked too, yes? Yeah. Just wanted to make sure. Now it should be easier this way. There's a bit more backtracking with Chris, that's all. Uh-oh. No! Eee! He came running at me. There we go, that's what you get. That's what you get when you mess with the warrior. Alright, go. Uh-oh. I ran towards him. And I didn't know there's gonna be a zombie here as well. There's another one over there. And they run towards you, it's amazing. Let's go. Are you kidding me, game, right now? Come on. So, one red and one red. One green. Oh, what are you doing, game? No. And another green. Who wants a hug? No! The stylus, the stylus. There we go. That's how we roll. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one off as well. Is there a zombie here? No. Better not be. Should I go in? Yes, let's do this. Come on. Oh, he's gonna get it. Ah, man. The inventory slots are so limited here. So, goes in there, goes in there. I'm gonna go grab those shotgun shells. Are you kidding me right now? And that's the thing. Sometimes you backtrack to go to get to an area, and you have to do the whole thing again with the knife. Ah! Once I get the shotgun, there's no more messing around. I'm gonna be boss. There we go. You see what happens? I hate these, I hate these, I hate these. Nice. Another one. One more. Okay, we're good. Ooh, shotgun shells. Nice. Yeah, I probably need the key to open the little drawer over here. Ah, man, it's so much easier with Jill. I'm gonna get rid of the shotgun shells for now. But I did memorize the whole mansion now. That's really good. gonna have to go get the serum. No, he's dead already. Or not, is he? No, I'm gonna give him the mouth, Oh, he's dead. How am I doing here? I cannot take them. I love this puzzle. Oops. Really? Usually I do this first attempt. It's amazing. I think the solution is different than the usual one. Whatever. I have to go back, put the stuff back in the box because I'm full. That's how I have to do. Actually, no. Let's keep going. I'm gonna unlock the door just in case. But I didn't get rid of the key, so go back. I wasn't ready for him. I have to go back. Can't wait to get the freaking shotgun. Can't go between beds? Yes, I can. Nothing? And I have to come back! Wow! What's my favorite horror movie character? Yeah, I know who it is. Freddy Krueger. He's okay. No, I think my favorite character, I know it's gonna sound a bit ugh, but my favorite character is Jeepers Creepers. I don't know why, but I like him. He kind of reminds me of Nemesis in a way. I like Jeepers Creepers. I don't need to go there. Okay, let's go here. Ah, no more messing about. No more messing around. Finally. Ah! Maybe one more messing around. One more. Alright, we're good. We're good. Finally, we're good. What's my favorite singer? Please say Gunther. I wouldn't say he's my favorite singer. He just makes me laugh. That's all. So we're done here. We're done there. I can go here, but I'm full again. Am I? Almost. Here's what I'm gonna do. Until I get my stylus, the first swipe I do it with my finger. The first swipe I do with my finger, then I grab my stylus. We're good, we're good, we're good. I think I got something, but I think it's useless now. Alright, things are gonna get better. But who is my favorite singer? I don't know. I do have favorite singers, but nothing's coming to mind right now. There's more shotgun shells. Alright, so let's combine to make some space. It's so much faster to combine with the stylus. Look at this. And I'm gonna stick with the shotgun from now on. Shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. Are there any more? No. Things just got better, man. Things just got better. They said they were supposed to make a third movie of Jeepers Creepers, but never happened. I don't know. They still say it's in the making, but it's been in the making for like a decade, I think. So we're done there. Yeah, let's go. Alright, now we're talking. Let's do this thing. I have to do a lot of combines. Because Chris is very limited. Press the wrong button. Because it's dark. I'm playing in the dark right now. Sweet herbage. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use that one. I'll take one more here. And out. Hopefully I won't have to backtrack again, but I think I might have. Dark Tower? What? I've never heard of Dark Tower. Can I do this in less than 3 hours? I really want to do this. Yes. Thank you. So I think those are handgun ammo. Nope. No, I said yes! Oh, come on! I did move to the side. Now I'm full again. You boob. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in less than 3 hours. I am. Read music. You know why it's harder, this game? You know why this game is harder? It's because Chris is stupid. He doesn't know chemistry, he doesn't read music, he doesn't know how to pick locks, nothing. Chris is stupid compared to Jill. She's far superior as a soldier than him.
Is that you, Rebecca?
Based on the movie Steve. Oh, okay. No, I heard about it.
Ah, it's the Moonlight Sonata.
I'm doing great, V4. I'm doing great now. I'm a bit chill. But I was so angry earlier. Come on, come on. I cannot skip this cutscene. La Torre Oscura. It's the exact same sentence in Italian. That's why I think Spanish and Italian is so similar, and that's why I can understand most of it. Look, she's trying to help. She's trying to help him. Look what he's gonna say at her attempt to help him.
Wait, what is that?
Yeah?
My interpretation is off a little.
Somebody's trying to help you and you're like, wait, what is that?
May I practice for a while?
Yes, come on, because of these stupid questions. I cannot speed it up.
Just relax and play.
All right.
I heard that the guy who voiced Chris is dead. I don't know, that's what I heard. I could be wrong, but... So what I'm gonna do is... Back to the item box real quick. Alright, so, go in there. Go in there. And I don't need these either now. I got 47 shotgun shells. I'm gonna get cocky. Because I heard some feminists saying, that's sexist. That Jill's game is easier. Like, dude, did you even play the game? It's because she's a better soldier than him. It's because Chris is awful. Sounds good. Sounds good. No. She's not done yet. Come on. This is a waste of time. Come on, I can do it. Yeah, when I mentioned filled with monsters, why not practice some musical skills? Yeah, I know, right? Womp, womp, womp. You know what I'm gonna do in the meantime, actually? You know what I'm gonna do in the meantime? I'm gonna do this. Oh, come on. Another crest. Another crest. Get down. Should I go put it in the chest right away so I save some time? Vloggy, speaking of time completion, I was playing the remake. At the end, I got the 6-hour playtime. Then I raised the head. Oh yeah, it does. It does. It does, Levy. I was so annoyed. It happened to me today because here's the thing. Today I had some laundry to do, so that's a waste of time. I have to wait for the laundry to be done, and while I was waiting for my laundry, I was just playing this game, and I'm like, you know what? I want to play the Jill one, and play the Jill one and get the rocket launcher for Jill, and I did it on advanced. This is advanced mode, by the way. Anyway, and at one point, some dude showed up. I parked in front of his garage, and he's like, "Can you move your car?" So I had to put the DS down. I had to put the DS down for a bit while I moved the car, and I still did it. Is she done? She's still not done. Come on. It's killing me. Come on. Back up. You're killing me. It's all up to her. Once I heard that you have to go back in the main hall and come back. I don't know. Main hall. Go back.
Chris!
Finally.
Chris!
Cause I want to do this. Come on. I only have less than 3 hours. There we go. Pushy. Story of my life V4. I'm pushy. I'm kidding. I'm not pushy. I want to try something now with. I want to try something with. With Chris. Hold on. Hey Shodan, hello. I'm gonna try something real quick. The clock chimed 3 times, but what if I do it 8 o'clock and 12 minutes? Nothing? Doesn't work. Okay. With Jill it works. With him it doesn't apparently. Okay, never mind. I'm not pushy, I was kidding. Alright, so this works. If I put it 8:12, some shotgun shells fall off the ceiling. But this time it didn't work. Ah, well. Well. Let's go. We're done here. Is it 420? No, you're pulling my leg. You and your weed jokes. What I'm gonna do though. What I am going to do is, I don't know if Forest gives me anything. I'm gonna go check real quick. Come on, man. I came all this way for nothing? Okay. Wasn't worth it. That cost me a shotgun shells. Shotgun shell, not shells. Have you seen Vendetta? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Well, Leon is grown up now. He's a man. So I'm gonna go this way. And yeah. I should be fine. I should be fine. You know what I forgot? I'm gonna go get it. I don't care. I'm gonna go get it real quick. Bear with me. I don't care how long it takes. It's a lot of backtracking because Chris doesn't carry a lot of items, so I have to keep going to the item box. I'm sorry. Final! So, I'm gonna put this in. And why did I come here? Yeah, the lighter. I have to. Lots of backtracking, but it needs to be done. I'm sorry. I love that you can skip the doors. 3 hours and 2 minutes. 3 hours and 1 second. No! That's why I'm skipping all the cutscenes, because I don't want to risk it. Haha, sucker. Come on, go through. What the ass? Come on. No, no, no. Oh, come on, push. Yeah, baby. Now 49. Good. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Thank you. Alright, can we do this? I don't even know what my strategy is gonna be. Am I gonna shoot him? Okay, thank you for the poison. So I say thank you for the poison. No, 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 no. Alright, not good. There we go. That didn't take much. Am I poisoned? Okay. Actually, the snake is very pushy here.
Am I poisoned? Damn it, give me serum.
Damn it, give me serum. It's like, instead of saying, can you get me some serum, please? Can you do me a favor? I'm dying. Can you get me some serum? No. Damn it, get me serum. He's a true gentleman. Alright, I know which way. Don't worry. Let's go. Damn it, give me serum. So I got the 4 crests already. That's good. I am a gentleman. I'd like to think so. I feel like I've mastered and memorized this game, so I think now I'm ready to memorize Resident Evil HD Remaster now. I think. Okay. Vloggy is a caballero. What's that? The subtitles are so very welcome, even for RE4 hasn't subtitles. It's true, eh, when you think about it. It's true.
You were bitten by a poisonous snake.
Are the subtitles just for this version? I never noticed. Are they not available on the usual
Head is killing me.
game?
I think you will be all right because I gave you a shot. But please be careful. careful.
You saved my life. I owe you one.
Ugh. Oh, it's true, Levy. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think I'm ready to master HD Remaster now. So, which way, buddy? Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. Is it this way? I think it's this way. Yeah, I have a feeling it's this way. This way. Yeah, it is this way. 100%. 100%. I'm gonna sort out my inventory. I don't have any keys, do I? No. Fantastic. So, let's go. I'm gonna start with Suncrest, Windcrest, and Starcrest. There we go. Out of here. That took a while, eh? I died a few times before I could get it right, but hey, what can you do? Both of them died. RIP. You know what? I don't trust. I'm gonna keep reloading now. So 1, 2, 'You never finished RE0? Seriously? Really? So I got cut off halfway saying thank you for subscribing. Theo Luna, thank you so much for Really? I pushed it? Okay, I thought I pushed it too far. But sometimes OBS feels like disconnecting me. Like, hello, remember how you're at my mercy? So yeah. We are back on, yes though. Okay, we're good. I love squishing these, but they can be annoying. Sometimes OBS likes to do that, just disconnects me and then reconnects me. You know what? I like Zero. Some people hate on it. I mean, it's not a perfect game. It's not a perfect game, Resident Evil 0, but it's okay. It's not bad. It's still better than some other Resident Evil games. But yeah, no, it's okay. Resident Evil 0. I managed to unlock the handgun, unlimited handgun, and the unlimited shotgun. I need to do around one of these days with those unlockables because I've never done one. You have it on your DSi. It's the best Resident Evil port on the DSi. So you have the best Resident Evil version. The best Resident Evil 1 version, at least. It's so well remade, this game. I mean, not remade. So well ported. Look at this. They put a zombie right here. So, you know, because they know that you speed around the corners here. They put a zombie on the floor so you can actually turn around and get bitten. Resident Evil 4 pros? No, come on. It's not that bad. Personally, I think Code Veronica is for pros. And rip. And reload. No! He turned around for the crow. That freaking crow is such a distraction. Code Veronica remake? I don't think there's a need for a remake, I think. I don't think there's a need for one right now. It still looks good. Come on. Did I get it right? Let's see. I think it's good enough. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Alright, let's go. So, go in there. I don't need the crank for now. I'm not gonna need the air bitch for now. I don't need that for now. Dino Crisis, I think Dino Crisis is okay. I think Dino Crisis, the first two Dino Crisis are okay. If I do say so myself. How do I do this? There must be something I'm missing. There we go. No, I didn't. There we go. What the heck? How do I do this? My instinct tells me that this, I don't know why. And then, my instinct tells me it's this. And then my instinct tells me it's this. But then we're stuck with these two. How am I gonna do this? There's a cheat. There's a cheat here somewhere. I'm getting stuck with this one. I'm not gonna waste all the time on this though. I don't know how to do this. Yes, I have done it in the past, you know, I have, but I will do it again, yeah. No, I can't do this. I cannot do this. Oh, I just did. I don't know how, but I just did. Amazing! When I concentrate. When I concentrate. I cannot do it. So strange. Ooh. I wasn't even concentrating when I got it. It's so weird. Come on, you guys. Come on, suckers. Nice! I love this music so much. Please don't let it be ink ribbons. I don't want ink ribbons. Come on, what's in here? Boom, boom. Yes, nice. Yeah, this is the hardest mode, yeah, as well. I finished it on Jill, but on Chris it's even harder. Is he gonna go, what the? Is he gonna go, what the? Yeah, he is. Shh, shh, shh. What the? It's not even Chris that doing that voice, someone else. It's not even the same actor, I mean. What the? Whoa. There we go. Rip GG. There's no need to visit the room with the red door. The pool table. Oh, go! Whoa, 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 whoa! That didn't work. I blew. I blew. It didn't work. I did blow, but it didn't work. You should blow. Okay, am I gonna get goodies? Am I gonna get some goodies? No, because I got hurt, eh? Nope. Oh, got fixed. Somebody fixed it for me. It's like... Oh, somebody's fast. Somebody's coming fast. Hello? That's what you get for being hasty and pushy. Another one. Ah, wrong door. I always go for this door for some reason. I don't know why. It's this door. The first door you come across. Come on, man. Uh-oh, oh, oh, oh. Can we do this? It's not working. I'm blowing in the DS. Where's the mic for this one? Oh, okay, I'm blowing in the wrong side. Because in my 3DS it's on the right, and on this one, on my 2DS, it's on the left. God dang it! I was blowing it. I was blowing. Giggity. Oh man, that's why. That's why it wasn't working. It's on the left-hand side of this console. You stupid boy. Alright, this way. I'm full. I'm full. Thank you. I'm gonna take one. Just in case. Ooh. No, you're freaking kidding me! Are you freaking kidding me again? Of course, reload. Of course, of course. Freaking cheapo. Come on, what's over here? Come on, pick it up. Oh, it's just paper. Crap, I'm poisoned. I know where there's blue herbage. I'm gonna have to go get it. Unless there's something here. No, there isn't. Okay, let's go get it real quick. What a waste of time. I'm full. God dang it. This game. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I'm still on yellow, fine. Oh well. Of course. That's how it's done. Sweet herbage. Sweet herbage indeed. No! Nice! I actually put the stylus down and picked it back up. Wow. Ah, nice. And this is a good street. How many did I get? 37, 38, 9, 44. 3 shells. That's not bad. You know what I'm gonna do actually? While I'm here, real quick, real quick, real quick. Put that away for now. I don't need it. Let's go. . After I defeat the plant, I will save just once. Actually, wrong room. What am I doing? I went to the wrong room and now I have to deal with this again. You come into the wrong room. I have to deal with these now. No! You freaking. You see? It worked now. God dang it, I didn't get the... Not only I didn't get the... I actually have been damaged now as well. Because I went through the wrong door. Oh, okay, Jazz. Sorry, I didn't realize what you said. Don't worry. You do what you gotta do. Rest comes first. Come on. I promised myself I wouldn't go to bed until I finished this game. I won that rocket launcher. Oh, there's gonna be a bee here somewhere. Yes. There it is. There we go. Whew. Hey, Toby's here. Hey, Toby's here. Bye, Jazz. Take care. Have a good night. I think I'm red caution, huh? I will check later. Let me live raid. What? What? You have the DSi and the new 3DS XL. Once I want to play with my friends on the multiplayer mode, but this game, and it's not even that exciting. The multiplayer raid. It is a raid. Multiplayer raid. It is a raid. Thank you, Amy. Hello, Cheer. Hello. Hello, Trevor. And Jackhammer. How am I doing here? I'm on red caution. I need to be careful. No need to realize. Thank you. Hello, welcome. Oh, man. Thank you for the raid. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. I don't think there's going to be enough. I'm on yellow fine now. I'll keep this just in case. Big Boss, hello, and Liquid. Nice to see you all. Welcome to my humble abode. I'm playing some Resident Evil on the DS. We like to play it because of a few differences. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Discard. Ah, man. One of the differences is you can reload anytime. Come on in. So. There's a lever. Will you pull it? Yes. Look, for instance. It's not gonna be that easy. Wait, they... What? They remade... Yes, they did. Yes. Look at this. Look at this. What? It's changing color. It's poisonous. What? Oh, no. There's a valve here. Turn the valve, yes. Look at this, look at this. I have to turn it with my stylus. One, two, three. Come on, keep going, keep going. You have to do a steady turn. Actually, there's three, Jack. Actually, there's three. There's this. There's Revelations, which I'm getting as well, because there's a few differences as well. That's why I buy these games. And there's also the Mercenaries, which is ass. Alright, so the one in the middle is 9. I'm sure of it, I think. Is it? I think it's 9. The one in the middle. And then these two need to be 8, so it's 5 and 3. And these over here I need to be 2 and 1. Now these two need to make 15, so I guess it's 7 and 8. Alright. Now is this 6 and this 4? Nope. So maybe this needs to be 3 and this needs to be 5? No. So let's put it back the way it was. 5 and 3. And 7 and 8 we switch them. 8 and 7. No. They still don't add up. And 3. These don't make 15 though. So let's go back to making this and this. Maybe this is 1 and this is 2. No. No! Huh. Come on. God dang it. Hey, Timothy! Come on. Does anybody know the solution? I really don't feel like doing this. I'm trying to... Thank you so much for subscribing, Liquid. Thank you so much. Oh, man. Oh, okay, I know. So 3 and 5, and this goes 1 and 2. Okay, so we got that right for sure. Now how about these? Maybe switch this with this. Yes! 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 Alright, we got this. It's harder, huh? The puzzles are more tricky, but very rewarding. Oh man, this is the best feeling ever. Look at this. Shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. What were you playing, Amy, anyway? What were you playing? What was your game? Was it a Silent Hill? Or GTA? I'm trying to guess. Or Last of Us? Am I warm? Ah! Tiny spiders. My only weakness. So much harder with... The thing is, there are minor changes, but a lot of minor changes that makes a difference. Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. There we go. You need to blow there. You need to blow vomit back into their faces. Ah, Metal Gear Solid 4, okay. I'm not gonna pick that up. That's very useless. I'm gonna read that. Now there's a book missing. Oh man, you suck, Chris. You suck, Chris. I see you are mastering the critics. Snake!
No, it's no use. The root's a bit...
If I have Resident Evil Mercy, no, I'm not gonna get that. It's It's just the mini game, you know. I'm not gonna buy a mini game. They tried to make a full game out of the mini game, and it blew in their faces. You can buy it on eBay for like what, €5 or something. Mercenaries. Why am I watching the cutscene? God dang it! I don't need to watch the cutscenes. I need to do this. I need to figure out this puzzle now. Man, I hate this. I hate this. Ah, here we go. Is it 356? No. 365? No. 653? No. It's not working. The same combination leads to the end. No, I'm just gonna keep spamming buttons until I get it. Come on. Beep boop beep. Beep boop beep. Oh, so close, man. Hold on. I had a feeling I almost got it, but I didn't. God dang it. Does anybody know the solution to 1, 2, 4, 5? I'm gonna try Jack's solution. Hold on. 1, 2, 4, 5. Hold on. If this works. God dang it, I hit the wrong thing. 1, 2, 4, 5. Oh! Oh, Jack! You freaking boss. Thank you so much. I don't know why I keep trying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 365 thing. Alright, you freaking boss. I'm never gonna forget that ever again. Until next time. Alright, so one bottle. One bottle. Two bottle. And 3 bottle. So let's start. Let's do this. So some water. Thank you. Some number 2. Is there some number 2? Yes. Thank you. I combine the 1 and the 2. Then I need to make some 3 plus 4. Okay, so number 4. And I combine that. Now I have 7. 7 minutes is all the time I can spare to play with you. Then 2 plus 4. So that means 2. Come on, give me 2. Come on, man. I love this puzzle. Now I got yellow 6. And these you combine as well, I hope. Yes, I got number 13. And then I need to make another 1 plus 3, yes? Yeah, I need to make a 1 plus 2 to make a 3, I mean. So, 2. I know it's umbrella number 2, by the way. I'm just calling just for the fun of it. So, combine. The J-Volt! Oh man, let's go. Yeah, V4 with your 6-9s. Jill is 365. Oh, I need to remember that. Oh man, that is so good to know. Alright, let's go. Now I noticed that on the map. It's flashing. I like that. It's nice to have the map always with you, eh? I like that. And to see how much ammo you've got left. Oh, it's here actually. Bye, plant. Bye, have a great time. That's good, Jack. Is it the same passwords for RE Remastered as well? Is it the same or not? The plan died, but it came back. So Rebecca's efforts were for nothing. Look, I'm back, baby. And of course. GG. And that's what I've been saying earlier before Jack showed up. Oh! Okay, I got the radio. That's what I was saying before Jack showed up. I was saying how now, finally, after all these years, I memorized the mansion. Like recently, like this month. I memorized the map, finally, and I think I'm ready to finally, get ready to memorize the mansion in RE Remaster now as well. Do I need to go in there? No, I don't. Hey, no, we're good. We're good. I was gonna save. I promised myself I'd save. Let's save. I don't think there's. Actually, I don't think I have. No, I don't have ink ribbon, so scratch that. Beep, boop, beep. Beep, boop, beep. It's so much faster to combine with the stylus, but the dogs are the ones I hate the most. The dogs are very hard to predict. These, I hate the dogs, look. You cannot always get the jump. It's so hard to time the dogs. Okay, let's go. Exactly, finally, yes, exactly. And to me, that's not the case. To me, it stresses me out. RE1 HD Remaster still stresses me out. Hang on, need to be careful with this guy, okay? There we go. You can barely see him on the floor. Let's go. Please, no more knife sequences. Of course not. Okay. But the crows... Oh! They didn't get me, apparently, because... You know what I'm gonna do? Squish these little... Now, this key leads only to one place. Well, actually two. Actually two. No, I need to get the magnum. I need to get that magnum. Definitely, so... one extra run. I don't care. Here we go. Ah, man, I hate these. I have to come back. That's okay. Okay. Found some goodies. So, you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna take that with me, and this goes in there. We're gonna be okay, let's go. Yeah, before the monster time, I'm gonna go get the Magnum, because I'll forget if I don't get it now. And boy, do I need the Magnum in this game. In this mode. Because I wouldn't mind continuing the game with the shotgun, but I'm playing on advanced, so. Alright. I'm gonna go back in the box again. Hunters, the most misunderstood BOW ever. Or demons. I'm thinking of doing a Jill campaign or Resident Evil Origins. Oh, okay. Jill's is easier. Definitely. Now, let me go get that Magnum, because if I don't get it now, I will cry. So, which is the easiest way to do this? I need to go... Trying to think. I think the best way is up here. Through up here. Ah, crap. Hello. Crap. Can never get that hit. No, 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 no! No, 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 no! Oh my goodness. No! No, 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 no! 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 Oh my goodness. I'm done. I'm done. Holy crap, man! I should have saved, but I didn't have. It's not an excuse actually, because no need to realize. That was almost the spare I've seen in a stream. No, my goodness, that is so shitty and cheap. Serves me right for not the one time I wasn't carrying. You see how many healing I had, and I was putting everything in a box. Holy crap! All right, guys, what do you think? Should I start over again with Chris, or should I do it with Jill with the rocket launcher and just get it over with, get it out of my system? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Oh my goodness! Shall I go again with Chris, or just start with Jill and run with the rocket launcher? We do a rocket launcher run. Because the thing is, I want to get rocket launcher for Chris as well. A Jill run. Finance as a Jill run. Evil DS. My goodness, man. Man. Jill, definitely the master of unlocking. Ah, man, let's do the Jill one. Let's do the Jill one. Oh my goodness, man. I'm gonna have my revenge. Oh my goodness. I wanted to cry. There it is.
What is this?
What is this? Ah, man. So, can somebody tell me what choices do I have to make to get the good ending?
What? What is this?
I don't know what to do to get the good ending, honestly. I don't know what choices I have to take. Actually, there's no need to skip the cutscenes. Well, I mean... I blew him up. I blew up that zombie. He's gonna come back in this room now. Thank you for subscribing. No need to realize.
Watch out! It's a monster!
Let me take care of it.
Yes, it is, Liquid. Yes.
What is it?
What is it?
Kenneth was killed too. Maybe by this creature. Anyway, let's report this to Wesker.
I'm gonna have a bit of a revenge. Looking forward for more dramatic displays of raw emotion. I would like to challenge myself with this one when it comes to advanced mode. So I'm gonna be doing the Chris. I will attempt the Chris again, but not today. I'm just gonna do a chill run with the rocket launcher because why not? But yeah, and I also just got my hands on Resident Evil 2 Nightmare mode. So there's that too. If you want me to go no again, because I will know again for sure. You escape with both Chris and Barry, and Rebecca if you play with Chris.
I don't know what's going on.
Well, it can't be.
You escape with both Chris and Barry, or Jill and Rebecca.
Check the dynamo
Okay.
again.
Okay, I'll try the door on the opposite side.
This mansion is gigantic. We could get into trouble if we get lost. We should start from the first floor, okay? And Jill.
Stop it, Amy.
lockpick.
Stop it.
It might be handy if you,
Stop it.
master of unlocks, take it with you.
I cry every time.
Thanks. Maybe I'll need it.
I'm tired of the dialogue. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, this stuff. I can't get away with this stuff. I like the knife sequences, but it just get annoying. You can't speedrun them, you can't, you know, dodge. Man, that was satisfying. Oh! Ah, nice try, doggo. I'll pick that up. Look at it. What? How do I have two first aid sprays? How do I have that? I don't know. Man, I'm so annoyed I didn't do that. That Chris run. Does it still say Chris on my description of my channel? Does it still say Chris? I need to change that. They don't get me anymore though, Liquid. They don't get me every time now. They used to. They used to terrify the crap out of me, but not anymore. Actually, you know what? Let's see if I can hit a crow with a rocket launcher. I think I did. Okay. I must have. I'm so annoyed I didn't make the thing with Chris. It was just some bad luck, really. See how fast he was running? Anyways, I love Resident Evil games. I'm a big fan of RE games. Big fan. But the classic ones, the ones with the fixed cameras, are my favorite. So I'm all about Resident Evil 1, 2, 3, Outbreak, 0, Remaster. He's not gonna auto aim, come on. Sucker! Man, that is so satisfying. Can I? I can't. Ah, he got me! The son of a biscuit.
Barry!
I don't need whatever you're gonna give me, I hope... Okay. Oh, you... Can we do it again with the crow? Haha! So good. Hey, thank you for subscribing, Andre. Do the zombies come back as Crimson Heads? No, they don't. The only time Crimson Heads appear in a Resident Evil game is HD Remaster. Oh, that's so good. Hold on, let me just finish this thought. Is HD Remaster and Operation Raccoon City. Those are the only Resident Evil games that Crimson Heads appear in. Oh yeah, and Umbrella Chronicles, of course. Ooh! I may have to heal. Alright, so... Hold on, let's just get rid of something else. Yeah, shoot the crow with rocket launcher. Yes, they're annoying. Serves them right. Is there a key on the bed? I keep thinking there's a key on the bed. Is there? No. No, it's not a key, is it? It's just some ribbon. Yeah. You tried to fool me? Huh? Make me use ink ribbon? To do this again. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, you see, not always. Doesn't always get them, but... I saw some guy manage to get past the plants without even using the chemical. I don't know how, but it can be done. I showed it to Cheer and he saw it and we examined it and we tried to do it, but it just can't be done. I don't know why. I understand what you mean. I feel your anger towards the fact that there's no deposit boxes, but it's more realistic that way. Come on. Hold on, let me just do it with my stylus. It's faster. Hello, anybody home? He was making a run for it, did you notice? It's more realistic to drop stuff on the floor if you can't carry something. Because let's face it, how many times were you like, you can't carry any more items? Oh, you're like, oh, come on, man. Can't I just drop this on the floor? Alright, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, I need to go get the stuff. So there's 2 games I have to come back to. 2 games I have to come back to. Actually, I don't even know why I picked those up. Actually, no, I know why. I need to get the crest. It's Chris's scenario here, and I need to attempt the nightmare mode again on RE2. Definitely. Lock me inside. Unlock me. Let me try the clock thing again. Let me see if it works now. I haven't spoken to Richard. So he hasn't told me what the combination is, but I know what it is. Let me see if it works anyway. Let's see. So, let me just do this. 8-12. It didn't work because I haven't met stupid Richard yet. That's why. I have to speak to Richard first. Snake time. Which way is this? The snake is better if we go this way. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock, I know, but if you set it to 8:12, shotgun shells will fall off the ceiling. It's amusing. It's just because it's amusing, that's all. How many keys do I have? Oh, I have 2. I'm gonna do CPR on his mouth-to-mouth thing. Look at this. Try mouth-to-mouth. Look at this. I have to. You wanna see what happens when I blow too much?
Jill, this house is dangerous.
This is what I was talking about earlier. They had a chance to do good voice acting for Richard because they redid the voice acting for this one, but no, they stuck with the lame.
It's a huge snake, and also poisonous. Jill, here's my radio. You should keep it. Set the dining room clock to 8:12.
No! Richard!
Jill, be careful.
But I did set the dining room clock to 8:12, but it didn't work. You lied to me. Alright, this is tricky. Tricky. Or not. Can I not get bit by the snake? Do I have to get poisoned? Do I have to get poisoned, whether I like it or not? Because it felt like... I don't know. It felt like he should have died, but I don't know. He was waiting. I don't know. Alright, so. I got all the crests now. I got one more in the box, yes? I should. Or not. You see what happens when I speedrun? I missed out on a... Where's the other one? Where's the other one? I put one in already. In the door. I got 2. I need another one. Where's the other one? That's so funny. I'm gonna have to run through the mansion. Actually, there's nothing here. It's not here for sure. Vloggy throws tantrum in 3, 2, 1. I did, Amy, you missed it. Oh my goodness, you missed it. I know who was here before, but oh my goodness, I did throw a tantrum. Twice or 3 times. Where's the next? I can't find the next. Because I was skipping on a few doors. Oh yeah! I know where. Okay, just remembered this door. I missed out on this door. Look how cool this puzzle is. I love this puzzle. So, 1 green goes in here. 1 green goes in here. One here, and one here. Ta-da! That's how I'm gonna have my doors open in my apartment, like this. If you want to go to the bathroom. That's how you're gonna have to unlock the doors. Going down. Ta-da. Actually, I already took care of these, so. Look how fast I made it here. Speedrun. Speedrun hype. How cheap was my death earlier? Still not over that. The one time I wasn't carrying healing items on me. Come on, come on, come on! It still blows my mind the fact that they managed to get this whole game on a tiny cartridge. I mean, not the fact that it's tiny. My point is that it's a cartridge. They managed to get the whole game with the FMVs and everything, and that's mind blowing, you know. Did you know that this blip is... Did you know what the blip... Yes, it's the radio. I could pick up the radio. I know. I just don't have time for it. I don't have time for a radio. I'm speedrunning. Ah, you buffoon. Look at this. He keeps auto-aiming towards the dead fish. Okay, nice. He keeps auto-aiming towards the fish. Look. I can't even aim on him. I can't even hit him. Ha! Come on! It takes 1 second to raise the shotgun, the rocket launcher. So you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull off a stupid. Because I don't care. My phone just vibrated. What was it? I need to check my phone. Of course, you get a bite. Hello. Hello. I don't even know I'm bothering with this guy. Come on. Boom, boom. What the? Here comes the what the.
What the?
Uh-oh. She wasn't even the same voice actress that did the what the. It was a different person. I'm on red caution. Can I pull this off? I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. Can I die from... Oh no! Oh no! There we go. But at least they wait in line. At least they wait in line, like gentlemen. Okay? I respect that. Alright, can I die? Can I die from this? Oh, yes, I think I can. Because she went back to danger. Okay. But I pulled it off. That's it. I don't even need to push the statue anymore. I can just do that. Oh, crap. This again. I love it. You can blow their vomit back into their faces. Let's go. Hey, Jill! Jill Gomez is in the house. Yeah, I'm having some revenge with my rocket launcher because I cried earlier. I make cry. Alright, so we're done here. Let's go. I hate the spider. Let's go. Oh, there's gonna be a bee here. Did we just hit? No. Oh, I hit the bee with the rocket launcher. That's so satisfying. The bee was disintegrated. Do you guys want to know what the most tedious part of the game is? This right here. This right here. I don't have the patience for this. Ooh, look at Levy's pants. Here's something I didn't expect to say. You have a lot of pants. Hey Nick, hello! Welcome! How you been? So, I'm gonna pick this up. Not that I have enough room, but whatever. Oh, I should have gone to the item box to deposit that stupid crank. I don't need the crank for a while. You know, some people might be like, oh, you're doing a rocket launcher run? That is so noob, you know? But, you know, to unlock the rocket launcher, I had to beat the game under 3 hours, so I earned it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That means I'm a pro already. That's not RE1 remake exactly. Well, I mean, it's a port, but they have changed many things. I like that. For instance, this is one of them. Man, it feels like half an hour ago when I was just here doing this, because I died with Chris. So So I'm doing this with Jill now. To have a little bit of revenge. Come on, spin, spin. Turn the valve, turn the valve, turn the valve, turn the valve, turn the valve. 1. No, 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 no. You see, if you don't do complete circles on the DS. No, 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 no. Oh, come on, seriously. I got poisoned. Nice. I got poisoned. There we go. I got poisoned though. It's a kind of a remaster. Yeah, I like to think so. They did clean up the polygons. I agree, Nick. Yes. Crap. I've got poisoned. Alright, you see 9 isn't always in the middle. So if 9 is in the middle, here is 5 and 3. And here is 1 and 2. And now I would assume 8 and 7. So that leaves 4. No. Maybe a 6. No. Maybe an 8 goes here and the 7 goes there. And this one is a 4. No. And this one goes a 6. This one's fine. Maybe this is a 3. Oh, what am I doing? This is a 5 and this is a 3. I messed it up. This is a 2. 7 and 8. Maybe this is a 7. This is an 8. This is a 2. This is a 1. Yep. And maybe this is an 8. And this is a 7. No. So maybe this. Stick with this. What else did I do wrong? Come on. No! What am I doing wrong? 3 and 5, 8. 15. We got this right. What am I doing wrong? Hey, Mr. Moore! It's 8, 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 4, 3. How did I get this wrong? 8, 4, 3. 5, 9. Well, okay, so I have to swap these. There we go. I cheated. I looked at your solution, Theo. Eventually I'll get it. I got poisoned. God dang it. How are you, Mr. Moore? How are you? I'm doing a rocket launcher run because I got angry. I died as Chris. Thank you for the sub, Mr. Moore. Thank you. I died earlier. I attempted a Chris run on advanced and I got really far and I didn't save. And I raged. But now as a revenge I'm doing Jill with the rocket launcher. Of course. I'm wondering, can I hit the plant with the rocket launcher? I don't know. It's my first run with rocket launcher ever. Stupid tiny spiders. So what do I need to do to get the good ending with Jill? I have no idea. I never got the good ending, I think. Forget the poison. I'm just gonna keep going. Oh! Ah, crap! I wasn't holding my stylus, that's why. Oh, there's an issue. Yes, Mr. Moore. Yeah, there's an issue right now. The freaking notifications are kind of broken. It happened to me as well. Which is surprising when you think about it. Hey, I mean, YouTube, owned by Google. You expect them to not have these kind of issues. But anyway. Can I hit the plant with the rocket launcher? Oh my goodness if I can't. Alright, I can. Whew. Now I know where that leads. Let's go. Wanna have a little conversation with Wesker? Shall I leave it on? I'm having to scroll loads of non-live videos to find the live videos. Well, there you go. You see?
Jill, so you're sick.
What's wrong with their voices?
That's what I was going to say. Where on earth have you been? You disappeared from the hall all of a sudden.
I'm sorry, but I have my reasons. Perhaps you guys have met them? It was all I could do to protect myself against those strange creatures.
Is that right? Anyway, it's good to see you're safe.
Jill, our first priority is to get out of here.
Yes, you're right.
Now, there are a lot of rooms in that mansion that we can't get into because they're locked up. I have been looking around for clues.
Okay, I'll go to the other house and see if I can find any clues.
Will you do that? I'm counting on you.
Alright. I felt like watching the cutscene. Alright, no more plant. I'm gonna go here. So which console was your first game, as in actually sitting down and playing? Well, my first console ever. It's funny. In Malta, and I don't know, I'm not so sure if I can say the same thing for whole Europe, but in Malta, the NES wasn't a thing. It was not a thing, the NES. What we had here was bootlegs for NES. We had something called, hold on, wrong herb. Actually, you know what? I'll keep them. What we had was something called the Micro Genius. It was a bootleg. It's an NES bootleg. But that's what we had. It was a common thing. It took cartridges like the NES Famicom. They weren't like the NES European NES, like the Famicom cartridges. I'm gonna combine. That was my first console anyway. Oh, crap. I hate the dogs. I can never get the hit. Oh, wow, I got it. I rarely get the hit. Shotgun shells, nice. I started weak when it comes to gaming. I feel like I had a late start with gaming. I started taking gaming seriously when the PS3 came out. It's when I started collecting. Oh, crap. So yeah, I didn't have an NES. I had a Famicom. I started with, not a Famicom, it's a Famicom bootleg, rip-off kind of. I have tons of games. I'll post a picture after I'm done of the games, just for fun. He's a coming. Haha, sucker! I don't think... Actually, you know what? Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna collect the ammo disc, because I think I need the ammo disc to get the good ending, right? 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 Okay, combine, combine. So, I'm gonna put this away for now. I'll put this away as well. I'm trying to think. I need to get the... I'm gonna go this way. This is where I died earlier, right? No, it's not where I died. Somewhere close, though. That hunter was like, no, don't kill my zombie friend. And he protected him. I don't need to be here. That's for poisoning me earlier today. Did you ever see zombie dogs in the main hall? Did you ever see zombie dogs in the main hall? Look at that. That serves me right. They were just chilling. I don't know why I attacked them. And you can actually save with zombie dogs in the room. What you talking about, V4? I finished Chris. And now I'm doing Jill. Haha. Haha. Oh no, why am I here? I don't need to be here. I just realized this is the wrong place to be. Actually, no, I'm in the right place. No. I am in the right place. Really? 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 Ha! Sucker! Was another crow, huh? Anybody else? No. Rip GG. Oh yeah, one of my DS favorite DS puzzles. No, I didn't get wrecked by zombies. I finished Chris. I finished Chris. There are candles here. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Such a funny gimmick. But it's hilarious at the same time. Come on, get down. Get down tonight. Let's go. Actually, no, this way. This way. Alright. I'm gonna get the other ammo disc. Yes, I think I'm gonna go for the good ending today. Let's see if we can do that. Or is there like ammo here? That was a waste of time. Nope. I thought there was an ammo disc there. Wop, wop, wop. Uh-oh. I have an Xbox 360, but I never used it. Uh-oh, here comes, here comes, here comes. Ah, tried to poison me. Because there was a time when Minecraft was exclusive for the Xbox console. I'm like, I want to play Minecraft on the Xbox console. So I bought I bought an Xbox 360 just for Minecraft. I kid you not. Can never get this hit. Okay. Okay, are you kidding me right now? Is this where I'm gonna die? No, 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 I'm locked. Okay. Son of a biscuit. Shut up, Amy. The Last of Us sucks. Spin by hand. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. Damn! I love that. Let's try again. I was being funny. I'm a DJ, look at me.
Yeah.
Yeah! Nick. I was trying to get to Amy. I was trying to hurt Amy's feelings. Trying to hurt Amy's feelings. Come on, you got me. I was all the way over there. You son of a... Okay, okay, okay. You're not playing. You're not playing. You're being serious right now, huh? So I need to wait for Barry now? You hurt all of us.
Have you found anything?
It's time for me to go out. Good luck on the train. Try not to rage.
Down to check by yourself.
Go away before. Have a good day. Thank you for hanging out.
Try to go down using the rope.
Wait.
So he dropped the rope. Do I wait for him? What happens? What do I do? What do I do? Do I wait? Is he gonna come back? What is this? What do I do? I don't know. Is he gonna come back? Yeah, he is. Okay, I've never done this before.
Hey! Are you there, Jill?
No!
Rope! I'm sorry, Jill.
I didn't know that was going to happen.
Sorry. I was really careless.
No, no, it is a good game. It is one of the best games I ever played. But I was trying to hurt Amy. What game can I attack?
Don't worry.
GTA 5.
Found something.
GTA 5. Pass number. There we go. Okay, I know where I need to go.
Thank you. I'll take this then.
Can I go down again? There's a... Will you descend? Oh, I can descend anyway. Okay. Oh, you touched the grave, grave, grave. Alright, I love this. I love this. Ah! That was good. That was good. That was good. Do I have to take the... Yeah, I do. Let's take the flamethrower from here and put it there. Put it there! RIP! This guy's gonna... Some of them are in a rush to eat me. I'm gonna grab those actually. I need to find a mod for this game where you play as Leon. Something like that. I want to play as Leon here. I don't know why, but I want to play as Leon. Come on, get up, guys. Actually... Oh, I want to try how... There's a zombie that's really strong. This guy over here. He's very strong. Let's see. Let's see how strong he is, really. I'm gonna do a quick turn and run. He's really strong. Hold on. I want to see him take the shot, though. Where is he? Ah! Not strong enough to handle a rocket launcher. Ah! Come on! Seriously? Wow, I'm on caution. Alright. Timothy. So we go this way. I'm trying to think. No, I don't need to be in this room. I don't even need to go anywhere near this room. Nothing. Actually, I don't know if I have to trigger... I don't know if I have to own the file to actually trigger a scene. Because I know where the next item is. But I'm scared it might not be there because I didn't pick up the file, so I better pick up the file just in case. I better pick up the file because I don't know. You know how it is, certain things. Ah! Close. So yeah, let's just do it how it's supposed to be, because I don't want to risk it. I hate those. I hate those so much. It's the creatures I hate the most in this game. Forget the hunters, forget the dogs, forget the crows. It's those creatures that I hate the most. Pum, 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 pum. I better pick up the file just in case, because I don't want to go down there, I won't be there just because I didn't see the file. Bum, 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 bum. Come on, come on, come on, give me the file. Cause look what the file says. Eric's letter. David, I have a favor to ask. Can you go for look for a book I misplaced? It actually appears somewhere around the guardhouse. So I have to go back to the guardhouse now, and the file should be there. The book. And I'm scared that if I I hate those so much. I thought there's like little glowy things coming out of them. I don't know what they are, but let's go. So what I need to do now is grab the... Hold on, it's this way, yes? Let me think. Yeah. I love how the dog is just chilling there. I love that. I hope I'm doing all the right things to get the good ending now, because... So, this way? I'm gonna go to the item box, grab the crank, because if I forget it, I'll be salty. Ugh! Crap! I was knifing with my finger. Ah, nice. So, no, I'm gonna leave that there. Crank. Actually, let's go like that. We're gonna be okay. I think we're out of the mansion. We're done with the mansion, yes? Yes. Of course. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Are you freaking kidding me right now? Did you see that? I got stun locked. Freaking chicken. Hey, no beef, only bacon. How are you? Yeah, it's been a while. How you been? Nice to see you. Alright, so combine. I'm gonna use it actually. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. I'm planning another Funko Pop video very soon. But I'm gonna get a better camera for next video because I'm tired of filming on my phone. I film on my phone. on my iPhone. I hate it. I really hate it. But it's sad to say, but it's the best camera I have. But I'm gonna get a better one very soon. They're gonna be in 60 frames per second. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I agree. I agree it is. But it's sad that it's a phone. My best camera is a phone, you know what I mean? I need to have a dedicated camera. So yeah. It's long overdue. I love the squeaky. 60 frames per second, not 50. Well, actually, I can go up to 120 frames per second, but I won't do that. I don't want to break your browsers, you know. Oh no, oh no! Ooh, nice. Are we done? Are we done? Yes, another hunter. Crap! Got damaged here, so... But I'm still on fine. This is one of the main differences in Resident Evil games. I have to go back to the guardhouse one more time. I hate going back, but I have to. I got no choice. It's me, Mario. Every now and then I remember of Mario. So, oh, look, the statue's back here. And there's a bee! There's a hunter here as well. Ah, sucker! I think I have to go here. Yeah, is it here? Yes, it's here. I hate these hunters. All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Here it comes. I hate this part. It's all about skill. It's all about skill. Come on. I have to swipe at the right time. One. That was perfect. Nice. Nice. He's bleeding. Nice. Are we gonna do a no damage? No, I jinxed it. Crap! Crap. I thought he was gonna open his mouth. Crap. I'm expecting him to open his mouth. He doesn't always do it. No excuse for that one. Ouch, 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 ouch. GG. about the Sony camera, and I have to say my phone's produced. Yes, it's true. I agree. That's true. Yeah, I agree. iPhone is really good. Assuming you have an iPhone. I'm assuming you're talking about an iPhone, because iPhones are really great. There is a medal in the book. We got it. It's so quiet right now. Samsung Edge. Okay. I never experienced Samsung Edge, so no. Aha, sako. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna take all of them. So my Outbreak broke. It's not working anymore. It always happens right after a Windows update. I don't know if it's a coincidence or Windows Update has something to do with it, but I think it's Windows Update. I have to reconfigure the whole thing, I think. B. Oh, hello. Crap, wrong button. You're on PS, you don't have that problem. What problem? What problem did I just mention? Alright, I'm gonna go here.
Oh, Jill. What good timing. A moment ago I heard someone's voice coming from this hole. Let's go together since it's dark and we can't see very well.
Yes, let's go together.
Let's go.
Okay, then I'm gonna cover you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm all right. I can go first if you want me to.
Do you want him to go first? I don't know.
Oh, yes, please. I'm a little nervous.
I understand. It may be more dangerous.
Okay, no beef, no beef, only bacon. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care. Have a great evening.
Harry?
No! Did he rip?
That was too close. Let's go together.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, then I'm gonna cover you. Let's hurry.
Which way? Both rooms lead to... Doesn't make sense, actually.
Lost courage already? It's not like you.
Oh yeah, alright, I got confused. I'm looking at the map and I still got confused. I hate these caverns. These underground thingies.
Is that Jill?
Is that voice Enrico's?
Enrico's?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait there. Are you with anybody, Jill?
What? Oh, yes.
Enrico!
So, Barry and Jill together.
Are you all right, Enrico?
The stars are doomed. Someone is a traitor. Everything was plotted from the start by Umbrella.
Enrico! I don't know why I'm watching the cutscene actually. I'm gonna go crank it up. Crank it up! Oh, nose, not this! That was too close. You're almost a gibble sandwich. Crap! I hate these creatures! Make a run for it, run for it, run for it! I hate these creatures so much. So I have to go here. Forgot which crank. This one. This is the area I hate the most. Even with a map, I'm confused. Look. That theme song always plays in my head when this happens. No, sucker. Rip. Can I blow the webs with the rocket launcher? Yes, I can. This guy wasn't in a rush. Okie doke, so. We're good, let's go. We go this way. One more. Let's go. I don't know if it's easier for me to do this again. Maybe it is. I think it is actually. It is. I always wondered where this door leads. I'm still carrying a key from the mansion, I just realized. I wonder if I can rescue Chris, I don't know. Come on. And get rid of them. Ah! Let me go get the ammo disc because I think I'm gonna need it here. I don't know where the others are, so I don't know. This is gonna be the biggest challenge for me, this game. Like, this thing over here, is it one of them? What's this? Another ammo disc, okay. I love the labs. I love the underground labs. Okay. Umbrella has a policy. No QWERTY keyboards. Ever. I'm gonna grab this from the floor. I don't know if I'll actually need it, but I'll take them just in case. Ha! Take that, B. Nothing, just, okay, just for amusement. I hate this puzzle. Okay, here we go. Okay. There we go. I have no idea how this works. So, is it this phone? An intercom. It does not seem to be up here. Okay. What's over here? Incribin. Secure system. Whatever. Okay, let's go. Oh, come on. Seriously, how many times am I gonna have to shoot this guy? I would love to get the power puzzle out of the way, yeah? Let's do this. Let's do this thing, because I hate this puzzle so much. Oh man, more of these. Actually, you know what? Wrong button. I'm gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk dying. Freaking kidding me right now? There's always that one! Screw you. I still have to do this thing now. Oh my goodness. Oh, this might take a while. I hate this puzzle. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. I have no idea how I did this. Screw it! There's no point to this room, really. That doesn't make sense. Feels like there should be. Ah, there we go. Here we go again. Nope. Wow. Oops. We got this, out, out, out! I hate this part. I hate this part. I need to be careful. Okay. I hope I can push it from here. Can I push it from here? No, I cannot. No! I thought I was gonna step on it. Okay. I thought I did a boo-boo, but no. No boo-boos. I feel like I did a boo-boo, actually. Hold on. No boo-boo. Haha. I think. Haha. What's over here? Ah, come on, man. That's very cheap to hide a zombie over there. No. I'm gonna have to do this. Oh, come on! There's like a ton of them on the floor here. Oh my goodness! My rocket launcher is not gonna reach. No. Oh my goodness, every single one of them. The problem is I have no idea where the next demo disc is. No idea. Whoa! That was close. They're everywhere. Alright, let's go here. There's nothing you can do. I cannot shoot downwards. Oh, come on, really? All of them want a bite? Alright, you happy, all of you? Are you satisfied? Let's go this way. Nice try, sucker. Oh, good. Oh, come on, man. What is this? Nope. I cannot find the last ammo disc. I think I'm done for. Because I can't find the last ammo disc. Sorry, Chris. Sorry, Chris. But it looks like I'm not getting you out of here. There's not any more rooms, eh? No. Let's go.
Jill! Jill! You're here too!
Yes, you're here too?
That dialogue.
Wait.
Let's get going. Wesker,
You did a fine job, Barry.
just as I thought.
I think you should stay away from Barry, Jill. I hear that his wife and 2 daughters will be in danger if he gets
You're here too? Yeah, you're here too. Like,
So
what?
Cruel.
Well, you don't have to worry about anything, because you'll be free from this world very soon, Jill.
Why do you have to destroy stars?
That's Umbrella's intention. This laboratory has been engaging in dangerous experiments.
I cannot find the last ammo disc. I don't know where it is.
Anyway, this disaster cannot be made public.
That's why having stars noticing about is so inconvenient. So
Yeah, I'm tired of the dialogue. I love this part. He's like, yeah,
a creature like this really
yeah.
really
There's a
wants
creature and the fluid. Let me just release the fluid. I'm sure it will kill him like that.
Wesker is a crazy man.
He's a crazy man. Oh. Hello. That's it. Rip. Is he dead?
Barry?
No.
Barry!
Manny!
You're alive!
I'm really embarrassed. I was clumsy.
Let's get going.
There's not another ammo disc here, eh? I don't think so. I don't know where the next ammo disc is. Looks like Chris is gonna stay here. Let's get out of here.
What happened to Wesker?
The triggering system has now been activated. All researchers and guards should take cover.
Wesker must have set it off. There's not much time left for us.
I've been here. Yeah, there's nothing here. I don't know where the next disc is. I'm gonna give it one more check here just in case. I wanna check here just... Feels like I missed something here. No. No.
Hurry!
This is Brad. Running off. If there's anyone alive, contact me now, okay?
There is 3 minutes until explosion.
Damn it! We have only one more step to go. Okay, I'll go. Jill, you try to contact Brad.
Rip. The game froze. No. Took a while. Thank you, Final. It took a while. I thought the game froze. I thought the game crashed. Did I escape without Brad? No way. I did get Brad with me. Barry, I mean, not Brad. Did I say Brad?
Your wife?
Yeah, my wife and kids, they always wait up for me. Even today, eldest daughter. I'm sorry.
Don't worry about that. I know you must still be alive.
I'm bummed out that I didn't rescue Chris. I don't know where the other Modisc was. I'll have to look it up. Oh look, we're getting double. How funny. Because they scroll up and there's like two screens. The credits, but since they're separate, it's like you have two screens of credits. Funny. I'm gonna skip them. Thank you, Toby. Jill, 1 hour 44. 1 hour 44, not bad. It is impressive, Doug, isn't it? Thank you, Doug. It is impressive, isn't it? I cannot get over how amazing it is that they managed to fit the whole thing on a cartridge. It's amazing with all the FMVs and stuff. So I'm gonna save again. Didn't say anything about me getting a costume or something. Nope. I guess not. I don't know how to get the costume. I need to get the key to unlock the outfits. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, I'm gonna go. Next time I'm gonna try again the Chris one. I'm gonna try the Chris again. Thank you, Timothy. Next time I'm gonna try the Chris one. I'm not done trying. But I wanna check this out real quick. I wanna check this out real quick. I don't know what this is.
Got it.
Oh, that's it. I cannot play. I cannot play because...
I got your back.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Got it.
Wesker doesn't even sound like Wesker. Listen to him.
Got it. Got it.
I cannot play with anybody. I don't have friends. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. And I will see you... Trying to think. I don't know. Sometime this week for sure, but I cannot commit to a date. Not yet. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.